It's been a while. Let's catch up.
Motherfuckers that is poster.
Where do I even begin? I mean, the last time we spoke, I was pursuing the travel, work lifestyle on luxury yachts. And the last summer, I spent all throughout the Mediterranean on places like Mallorca and France. And, you know, after 3 months of trying to find work, I couldn't find anything. And my visa was coming to an end. So I had to make a decision. Do I go home and reset, maybe try again? Or do I just hang around and try and see if I can see this yachting thing through? So I decided I would go to Morocco, where I spent, 3 weeks, almost 1 month there. And after meeting some amazing people and having some unforgettable experiences, I in turn decided I'm going to go home and reset. It's worth mentioning, it's kind of a spoiler of this catch up, but I met a special someone who is the reason why, fast forward, here I am living in Kassel, Germany with my beautiful girlfriend. And I bet you're currently wondering, Charlie, why are you telling us this? I thought your channel died 2 years ago. Why haven't we seen anything from you? And I'm telling you now, all these things are going to change, and I'm going to get into that in just a little bit. But I've got something to show you now, which I received yesterday in the mail, and I can tell you it's been really hard not to unbox. But I thought we could do that together. It's a bit of a hint what's coming. So, I don't know if you can tell, but I splurged a little bit and bought a little something, and I'm very interested as to what it's going to be like. I've bought the new GoPro Hero 13 Black. So the last GoPro I had was a Hero 9, so I'm pretty interested to see what this new one has to offer, but let's just dive right into it. Okay. Oh, so I bought the ultra wide lens edition, so as you can see, take this little snug cap off and it's already good to go. This is crazy, I'm so excited actually. It's been a while, but I've gotten the edition this time, which actually has a bit more capabilities and features, because this time, as you saw in the box, there's more than just this, but let's just do the satisfying parts. I'll let you enjoy these with me. I mean, it feels pretty much one and the same with the old Hero 9. I believe the battery is different though, and I feel like there will be a few differences. This is really good use of packing space, just this and one screw. Alright, so I'll make this next part a bit quicker. Long story short is I've got this new handle which has a lot of controls and a battery in it, which is gonna obviously help for taking longer videos for all day and doing certain night time lapses and things. I actually got this media mod here, which is something which helps me attach an additional microphone to it, which hopefully will improve my audio, and then just also this little latch here But let me unbox everything and get it all on so you can have a look. Hello there. Now that is a lot of packaging for this. I feel like a kid on Christmas, but this is what I have for this big box. Don't you just love it when your camera overheats? But we're back into it, and I'm done. Unboxed everything. So, this is it. This is the new baby. So it's got this new mic on it. It comes with this handle, as I told you. It's like got a charger. It's just a bit of everything. Just makes it really good for just all the time vlogging. This is going to be very perfect to film some new videos with someone you're going to meet very soon. But all in all, I'm really happy with it. And I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like right now. Alright, so I can finally dive into it. As I told you before, obviously I'm here for a reason, and that's because this summer I've got plans and we're going to be doing a lot of new videos. We've got some traveling happening, got some friends coming from Australia, and I'm just planning on just showing you more of what my life is like now as an Australian now living in Germany. That's with all of it all kind of wrapped up. I'm hoping to, really get a lot of filming done and editing done this summer so I can show you guys into a bit of what my life is like now. And yeah, I'm just planning on just making this more of a consistent thing, just making this the new pee hole into my life. That's the major plans for the next summer. We've got a trip to Sweden coming up in a couple of weeks. But most importantly, what I want to say is that I have one vlog I did last year in Morocco, so that's a bit of a spoiler. But yeah, I've got one coming up from last year where we do a bit of a hike. So that should be coming out very shortly, and otherwise I'm just excited. I'm excited just to capture some new moments as I'm now here, trying to learn German and trying new foods and things, and I figured, why not bring you along? So for today, that's a wrap. But don't forget to hit subscribe. I got a lot coming this summer.